Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add payment methods in WordPress. Before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, you simply have got to first of all access your WordPress.com. Right afterwards you have done that. For that, there is no direct way for you to be doing so. You have to set up your shop. For that, you have to go to the section of plugins, or directly you can go to this WooCommerce if you have already got so if you don't, then tap on a start a new store. As soon as you do that, once you have added all of your information including your address lines and everything, but if you haven't got your WooCommerce, right over here you're going to go to the section of plugins as I mentioned before, right from over here, and you're gonna be searching over here WooCommerce. And once you have got your particular WooCommerce right over here, you're simply gonna add this plugin and then simply gonna install it. Once you have installed it, you're going to be creating yourself a store, and once you have created yourself a store, as soon as you have done the creating store section, you will be able to check out the option of set up a payment for your store, and there you're going to tap on it, add in the information, add in the whatever method you would like right there in the WooCommerce shop, and you're good to go. So that's basically it. Hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.